of allowing non-citizens to vote. Let me get into this with you a little. Recent press reports have indicated that the Department of Justice has failed in its duty to properly defend the U.S. Election Assistance Commission, or E.A.C., in a lawsuit involving the right of states to require proof of citizenship for voter registration. It's my understanding that the Election Assistance Commission has approved the request of states such as my own in Alabama, Georgia, and Kansas to acquire such proof of citizenship, and various outside groups are challenging this approval in court. Earlier this week, a federal court denied a request for a temporary restraining order against the E.A.C's actions. But I was disturbed, Madam Attorney General, to learn about the conduct of the Department of Justice's lawyers in this case, who took the opposite position of your client, the Election Assistance Commission, instead of defending them. My question is this: did you authorize, as the Attorney General, the Department's attorneys to argue for a temporary restraining order and possibly even a preliminary injunction against the actions of your own client, the Election Assistance Commission, in this case?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. As you've noted, the Department does represent the Election Assistance Commission, as we statutorily do represent virtually all federal agencies and other departments here. This matter is an open matter. It's in current litigation. And so because it is an active litigation, it's not appropriate for me to comment at this time on those types of discussions. I would note that we did file papers in that matter, and our position is best set forth in those pleadings.
Do you personally believe, as you are the chief law enforcement officer in the country, that non-citizens should be allowed to vote in U.S. elections, although they're not American citizens?
Well, Senator, I believe the law is settled as to who's allowed to vote in terms of citizenship. I believe this particular case focuses on matters of how documents will be prepared. And as I indicated, we have filed pleadings in the matter, and I would refer you to those for the department's position.